As the inquest continues into what exactly transpired between Popcaan and his Unruly squad and the organizers of the Freedom Street concert held by Vybz Kartel at the National Stadium, footage has emerged of the arrival of Popcaan and the number of people who were allegedly accompanying the superstar. Now, event promoter Scatter Burrell in an interview claimed that he gave Popcaan 100 tickets for him and his entourage to enter the National Stadium, but that they wanted to go backstage, where in reality, at the event, there was no area designated as a backstage area, and it would have been impossible to accommodate as many people. Now, on this video that we're seeing with Popcaan, the Chronic Law, and their entourage, we can see clearly that there are a lot of people accompanying them. Now, whether or not these people had their tickets, whether or not they were members of the entourage, whether or not some of them just joined when they saw the arrival of Popcaan, they joined the crowd, we're not so sure. But this is what led to the DJs being delayed at the entrance, and this is what led to the controversy with the promoters. Now, in the interview, Scatter Burrell also said that at no time did he take a microphone from Vybz Kartel, and that the microphone that he had was actually his microphone that he would pass on to the different artists that would arrive on stage. He also refuted any claims that there has been an ongoing beef with Popcaan and his entourage. He has claimed that they've tried to book Popcaan in the past, but that Popcaan has been asking for a very, very high appearance fee, and as a result, they've not been able to have Popcaan at his event at Reggae Sumfest. So what do you think of this? Who was in the wrong, and what did this reflect for dancehall in the major space that is the world scene? Let me know in your comment section. And of course, remember to subscribe to JamFet as we continue to celebrate the Jamaican culture, yard and abroad.